Hello, and thank you for choosing LawRuler. Today we're going to go over how to set up a third-party integration. LawRuler makes integrating with your vendors, websites, and tools a simple and seamless process. Follow along with me as I guide you through how to set up a third-party integration. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to navigate to Setup, located on the bottom of your left-hand menu. Once in Setup, we're going to go to the second column all the way at the top and click on Third-Party Integrations. That's going to bring you to our third-party integrations page. Let's go ahead and fill out the fillable fields located here. The first field is going to be filled out for you. This is going to be your email subject and requires no changes to be made. The second field is your vendor's name. Here you can type out the vendor that you would like to integrate with. For this example, let's go ahead and choose website vendor. Below that is the vendor's email address. This is where we can put in the vendor contact's email address in order to send them the template. Let's go ahead and fill that out now. Below this is the CC. This will automatically copy the user who's logged in and creating the template. If you would like to change this is customizable. Just go ahead and highlight it and replace it with the user that you would like to CC on this email. Below that is the default case type. You can set this integration to post a case type specific to this vendor. For example, if everything coming from the website vendor at this source is going to be the 3M earplugs case type, you can select from the drop-down 3M earplugs. This will make sure that any intake that's coming in through this vendor is going to show up as a 3M earplug. However, if they are sending you multiple case types from this vendor, we can go ahead and leave it as unassigned. Once this is all filled out, let's go ahead and hit send email, which will send this template off to your vendor, and they will have everything they need to get started. And that concludes how to set up a third-party integration. As always, thank you for choosing LawRuler. If you have any support questions, we are always happy to help. You are welcome to contact us by email at support@lawruler.com. You can also access our LawRuler support forum at support.lawruler.com. For those of you who want to make changes to LawRuler but don't have the time, let our expert staff do the work for you. We offer done-for-you consulting, a service that is billed hourly and available for your convenience. Please contact your account manager to learn more. Thank you again for your time, and from everyone here at the LawRuler family, we hope you have an amazing day.